The increasing prevalence of electric cars, EVs, is causing a transformational shift in the worldwide automotive sector. Chinese automobile manufacturers have become important participants in this process, especially in markets outside of their nation of origin. Mexico is one such market where this revolutionary effect is being felt. A complicated interaction between changing customer demands, technology improvements, and commercial tactics is shown by the rise of Chinese electric vehicles in Mexico. This video will examine the dynamics that have led to the success of Chinese electric vehicles, EVs, in Mexico. Chinese EVs ascent. China's automotive industry has advanced rapidly, with homegrown automakers like BYD, NIO, and XPeng setting the standard for electric vehicle technology. These businesses have not only transformed the Chinese market, but also have their sights set on global growth. These cars are becoming more and more appealing to Mexican buyers because of their affordable prices, cutting-edge technology, and rising environmental consciousness. Chinese automakers have found greater support for their entry into the Mexican market because of the government's promotion of sustainable practices and green technology. Pricing competition and technological developments. Competitive cost is one of the main reasons Chinese EVs are becoming so popular in Mexico. In comparison to their European and American counterparts, Chinese manufacturers are able to offer EVs at much reduced rates thanks to their utilization of economies of scale, efficient production methods, and creative cost-saving strategies. Mexican consumers are drawn to Chinese EVs because of their price, as they are looking for more affordable options than traditional combustion engine automobiles. Furthermore, Chinese EVs have state-of-the-art equipment that attracts tech-savvy buyers. High-performance electric drivetrains, a wide range of infotainment options, and advanced driver assistance systems (ADAS) are starting to come standard on Chinese EVs. By incorporating these technology, Chinese manufacturers are positioned as innovators and also improve the driving experience. Consumer preferences and market penetration. A combination of strategic alliances and regionalized marketing initiatives helps Chinese electric vehicles, EVs, become more prevalent in the Mexican market. Chinese producers have forged partnerships with regional distributors and dealers to guarantee a seamless debut and robust market share. Building trust and brand loyalty among Mexican consumers requires effective after-sales service, maintenance, and customer support, all of which are made possible by these collaborations. There is a trend in consumer preferences in Mexico towards environmental consciousness and sustainability. The Mexican government, in keeping with the global trend towards more environmentally friendly transportation options, has set high goals for cutting carbon emissions and advancing clean energy. Chinese electric vehicles, EVs, align with the current movement in consumer values due to their energy-efficient technology and low emissions. Chinese electric vehicles, EVs, are becoming more and more popular in the Mexican market as a result of the government's increased provision of subsidies and incentives for EV consumers. Obstacles and rivalries. Chinese EVs encounter a number of difficulties in the Mexican market, notwithstanding their success. The perception of these cars' dependability and quality is one of the main challenges. Even while Chinese producers have improved their product lines significantly, some buyers are still dubious about the long-term performance and durability of these cars in comparison to well-known American and European models. Continued efforts in customer satisfaction and quality control are necessary to change this attitude. The creation of a suitable infrastructure for charging presents another difficulty. Although Mexico has made strides toward growing its EV charging station network, the country's infrastructure still trails behind that of more developed nations. Insufficient alternatives for charging an EV can cause range anxiety and discourage prospective consumers from purchasing one. Implications for the environment and economy. There are important economic and environmental ramifications to Mexico's growing Chinese EV population. Economically speaking, more competition in the automotive industry from the entry of Chinese manufacturers could result in cheaper prices and more options for customers. Furthermore, the presence of Chinese manufacturers can promote economic growth and the creation of jobs in the area, especially in sectors linked to the production, marketing, and support services of automobiles. In terms of the environment, Mexico's efforts to lower greenhouse gas emissions and enhance air quality are in line with the adoption of EVs. Effect on the regional automobile industry. The local car sector has been significantly impacted by the flood of Chinese electric vehicles, EVs, into the Mexican market. The market has previously been controlled by traditional Mexican automakers, but they are currently up against more competition from Chinese companies. Local businesses are being forced by competition to innovate and change their business models, which could result in improvements to their own EV products. Mexican firms are working on increasing the sustainability and efficiency of their production processes, looking into joint ventures with foreign companies, and investing in new technology in order to stay competitive. Chinese EVs therefore serve as a catalyst for change in the local automotive sector, propelling advancement and a move toward more environmentally friendly and cutting-edge vehicle options. Furthermore, the development of Chinese EVs affects Mexico's overall economic environment. Mexico's economy greatly benefits from the automobile industry, and the growing number of foreign manufacturers presents both opportunities and difficulties. On the one hand, Chinese businesses establishing manufacturing facilities and supply chains can increase employment locally and promote economic growth. However, it might also result in changes in the balance of economic power and market disruptions, consumer behavior, and sociocultural factors. Chinese electric vehicles, EVs, popularity in Mexico is determined by socio-cultural dynamics and consumer behavior, in addition to technological and economic reasons. Mexican consumers are looking for sustainable car choices more often than standard ones as they become more ecologically conscious. The rising demand for environmentally friendly behaviors in society is consistent with the popularity of electric vehicles, EVs, particularly those made in China. Furthermore, younger consumers find modern technologically advanced vehicles appealing as they are more likely to embrace innovative solutions and new technologies. The way Chinese automakers market their products also influences how consumers view them and encourages their adoption. Chinese manufacturers are successfully promoting their EVs as desired and relevant to Mexican consumers by emphasizing their advanced features, affordability, and environmental benefits. In addition, the opening of regional dealerships and service facilities improves the accessibility and practicality of Chinese electric vehicle ownership, hence augmenting the customer experience. Future outlook and strategic directions. With a number of significant factors expected to influence the industry, the future of Chinese EVs in Mexico seems bright. Chinese EVs are predicted to perform better and be more affordable as a result of continuous developments in energy efficiency and battery technology, which will strengthen their position in the market. Furthermore, the adoption of EVs is expected to receive even more governmental backing as the Mexican government continues to place a high priority on green technology, which will present more prospects for Chinese manufacturers. In order to meet the varied needs of their customers, Chinese automakers are probably going to concentrate on diversifying their product lines. To appeal to various market segments, this may involve releasing a variety of vehicle types such as SUVs, trucks, and premium cars. Furthermore, keeping a competitive edge and guaranteeing a strong market presence would need ongoing investment in local alliances and cooperation. In conclusion, the rise of Chinese electric vehicles in Mexico is evidence of the revolutionary effects of global automotive innovation and changing customer tastes. Chinese manufacturers have established a sizable market share in Mexico thanks to their cutting-edge technology, affordable prices, and commitment to environmental sustainability. The strategic adjustments and investments Chinese automakers are making position them for sustained success, notwithstanding the obstacles still present. In addition to reflecting larger patterns in the global auto industry, the rise of Chinese EVs in Mexico highlights the possibility for affordable and environmentally friendly mobility options. The future of mobility in Mexico and beyond is expected to be significantly shaped by the presence of Chinese EVs as the industry develops. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. Hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. Have any thoughts or questions? Drop them in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you.